guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Odesiba. In today's video I'll be making breakfast for my some batter for making akara. I ground this I washed the beans and ground it in this airtight container, and I put it in my freezer 1 week ago. So yesterday evening I brought it out, and you can see it's actually defrosing. I don't know if you can see this eyes. It's defrosing already. So I'll be using it to make akara this morning, and I'll be prepping this chicken and doing a whole lot of things this morning. So I want to take you guys along. I hope you enjoy watching this. So let's get started. Before no further ado, I don't want this video to be too long. You're my assistant. Yeah, you're cooking. It's my assistant, so it's assisting me to cook. So everything is going well now. I'm done. This is my baby's food. We will be having this morning, and I'm just steaming these tomatoes because I'll be cooking later. Yeah, and now I think it's what time is it? It's time for breakfast, so I'll be frying the akara now. Watch this video up to this point. Thank you so much for staying to this time. I love you. So we'll be frying the akara now, and I'll be making pap. Yeah. I'll just be taking out of it because I will make all of them. I and Obi will not be able to finish the akara. So I think this one will be enough. Yeah, this one will be enough. So I'll be keeping this one again, and I'll still keep it in the freezer because you see it's still frozen, so it's still very fresh. So I'll still be keeping this one back in the freezer, and I'll be making this one for breakfast. So once your tomatoes is like this, don't be tempted to stir it. So if you stir it, it will start splashing. You can see the way it's still boiling and everywhere is still okay. And my baby's food also.
Everybody that's using washing machine is lazy bundle. No sure that it's only when your wife grind pepper on the spoon. That's is where the pepper will be, the soup will be sweet. Like, oh, the one they use hand to grind. It's my opinion. And nobody can tell me nothing. You cannot tell me otherwise. I will not even accept. If you tell me otherwise, I won't accept. It's not only when you use hand to grind that it will be sweet. Pain and chest pain because you want to be one particular 1,000 years. This is 2023. This is 2023 for I was just imagining if I had like Ben.
The first one I added before, it was for testing. So the oil is hot now, so I'm just adding the rest to continue with this. If you want a perfect clean akara, you always make sure you clean your spoon whenever you are putting the next scoop. You clean your spoon just like this, and you just continue with the scooping. That is how you get a perfect and a clean akara. And to make your akara to be very crispy, you have to add some oil on top like this to fry the up, and it will make it to be very, very crispy at the outside, and the inside will be very, very fluffy. So my water is boiling. I would like to boil some more because akara is not ready and I cannot make pap. Now I want it to be ready first before I start to make pap.
Sometimes when your wife is cooking and you say, I need to say I'm not hungry. Sometimes they can't be hungry because they're in the... I don't want to get into trouble now. To the kitchen and I'll mix some piece of meat on the plate. That is not part of the food. That is to test them.
Yes.
Am I correct? So, what did I do to God? I'll climb this mountain. I stay up. But you know, I had to put the voice of my stomach. As it goes and I said all my prayers. It is you that should get stronger. You must understand that. Life. The Bible says in Psalm 46 and verse 1, God is my refuge and my strength, a very present help. God is my strength, so it takes strength to confront you. Proverbs 24 verse 10 says, it thou faint in the day of adversity, with muscles and all that, with biceps and swings from here to here. This is God did. The walls of Jericho were so thick. The walls were so thick to ride on them completely. On the way, when despite all they are doing, listen to me. The enemies.
So hubby like it when it's very thick. So this is how they make pap. This is how I make my pap. It's very easy. This is not pap, it's custard actually. Yes, it's custard because I don't have access to pap. So this is how I make it. Akara, everything is ready now. Pap is ready. Akara is ready. Breakfast is ready. You are invited to come with your spoon. So I'll be putting some milk now. Added milk, so that's why the color changed. So this is typical Nigeria breakfast, akara and pap. If I don't have access to akamu, so this is custard. So this is it. So this is the akara. It's very fluffy, you see, and it's very, very crispy. Well, you can hear the sound. So this is basically it. Breakfast is ready. You are invited to come and eat. If you have watched this video up to this point, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you. May God continue to bless you. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider to subscribe to this family. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next upload. Just remind chicken I'll be able to cook later. But I'm not going to carry you guys along. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.